super excited because today I'm gonna be unboxing a big box, a big package that I got from Japan. Oh my gosh. I'm just so excited. Always have been curious to know how things work. I have a friend on Instagram who told me about Del Japan. I am not sponsored or anything like that, but she told me that they were like the cheapest. She orders a lot of list of stuff, and she also lives in Florida, so I trust her. I feel like I have spent about the same as in Taobao. There were a lot of fees, but especially the local fees, like the local shipping, that was huge. I ordered everything from Yahoo Auctions, which is also the first time I have ordered there. I was very skeptical about these services because I thought that they were gonna be like very complicated to understand, but they were super easy. Let me just show you the big box. Oh my gosh. It doesn't even fit on the screen. What? Yeah, it is this huge. I ordered morigirl clothing because why not? And I also ordered morigirl's magazines. I think that's what this is, very heavy. And I also ordered few items from Atelier games, and I'm very excited to see it because it's from the first Atelier game, which to me are my favorite so far, the Mori and Ellie game. So yeah, I'm very excited. Let's go ahead and check this out. More than 1 month I've been waiting. Like this arrived in, I think, in 1 or 2 days, but I had it quarantined, and I also had another sponsored videos that I had to do first. So that's why I haven't opened this box yet, but I cannot wait any longer. The closings, I think all of them are second-handed too. Some of them are from Wonder Rocket, another ones, well, you're gonna see. Oh my gosh, everything came nicely wrapped. Oh my gosh. Everything looks very nice. It just feels like when I order from Taobao that I have a lot of packaging. It's just like that. Oh my gosh. The first item that we have is, I think this is a Wonder Rocket skirt. Of course, I don't know if any of this is gonna fit me, but this is so adorable. Let's see here. Yep, this is from Wonder Rocket. This is I love every piece from Wonder Rocket. I wish this store was still open. Here is the tag. I'm pretty sure that it's going to be a little bit tight, but I'm gonna make it work. I got 2 dresses from this brand, Franche Latte. I forgot the name. It is this Mori brand too. Oh yeah, nice. I didn't notice, but I got 2 green ones. So it is this dress over here. It might not look like it's extremely pretty right now, but you know what's awesome about this dress? It's that it's reversible. Like I basically have 2 dresses in one. That's why I got it. So it's pretty simple, but I pretty like it. This is the other design. We got like a circus. This is such an awesome idea, like having dresses with 2 sides. It is very oversized, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit me fine. This is super lightweight compared to the other one. Oh my gosh, this feels so good. This is better than the pictures. This feels like linen. No, this is what I'm talking about. Look at that! Look at the forest. This is the back. Yep, it's almost the same. The fabric is so lightweight, and it is made out of linen. This is also from Cheddar Femme. Ah my gosh, I'm gonna love this so much. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look so Mori. We have a few more items from Wonder Rocket. I had no idea that they were gonna wrap the things themselves, because it looks like the people from Del Japan like packaged them themselves. We got another Wonder Rocket. I got it because I don't have this color and I love how it looks. Basically the clothing were pretty cheap. I guess that the most expensive was like 20. What really gets you is that if the seller has like domestic shipping, they're gonna charge you that plus all of the Del Japan fees. So that's where it gets juicy. So I'm very happy with this. I don't know the name of the fabric of this, but it is more thick. I completely forgot that these are second-hand items because honestly they don't look bad at all. I really love it. I also got a bag. Someone was selling a bag for $5. It looked very muddy, so I don't know. That was my first bead actually. It is. Oh my gosh, I saw the magazine. They're huge. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is the bag. This is the bag. Actually, it looks pretty nice. Very excited to put like a cute charm. I actually have a cute deer that I want to put there. Actually, this is new. So the person was selling it for $5. But again, I don't know how much they charged me for the local shipping, but yeah. really like it. These are the details that I really love. We have laces, cute decorations over here. We have some cute embroideries. I really love it. The bag is plain, but that's completely fine because it's just a bag. So the inside looks it looks pretty new. So this bag is from Olive. That's Olive, which is a very popular brand. So yeah, everything looks completely nice. Looks new, honestly. I think Japanese people really like take care of their things because so far, I'm gonna be very honest, everything that I have shown you so far, their quality is like 9 out of 10. I feel like this is 10 out of 10. Compared to the stuff that I have gotten from Depop, honestly this is way more worth it because first they're from the Japanese brand, you're really looking for the morigirl brand, and on Depop you are basically trying to see if you can make a cute morigirl outfit. Now for the last piece, like the closing piece, it's from Blue Hat, which is the brand that I basically buy from on Taobao a lot, but they were selling this quite cheap, so that's why I got it because I haven't ordered anything from Taobao yet. So I think this was a cardigan. Yep. This is just a cute cardigan. I wanted something like this because it looks quite romantic and cute, and the ones that I have like a string and it doesn't look good. Like this look dressy, if that makes any sense. And the ones that I got, like I feel like it takes a lot of the charm from the outfit. So yeah, it looks completely new. I mean, it has the tag. It has the tag. I think I'm gonna leave the figure for last because I'm very excited about it. The first magazine. We got the Papier magazine. Look at the size of this magazine. I think this is the first Japanese magazine that I've ever touched, I feel like. Oh my gosh, what a big difference. It's seeing this compared to, you know, seeing the pictures Pinterest and stuff like that. This is very thick. These pages feel way better than the local magazines. Like I'm gonna check the other magazines, but oh my gosh, the quality of the pages, quality of the images, wow, they're very bright. They don't feel cheap. They look amazing. Oh my gosh, I'm so much in love. There's so much charm that is taken away from their pictures because again, the quality, this is amazing. Oh, so this is Papier Volume 2. I got this one over here. So this is, oh wait, yeah, this is the front. I forgot that in Japan you read backwards. So this is about rooms. Like this was like for decorating rooms. Oh, it has like a cover. So cute. The quality of this magazine also feels pretty good, and also I don't know if you noticed, but the quality of the magazine, it is not vented, it is mint. It is mint. I'm pretty sure this is one of the reasons why this cost me a lot of money, because they are quite heavy. You can see a lot of room decorations. Oh my gosh, the quality looks so different compared to what you can see on Pinterest. There are a lot of morigirl's room decorations, but they look so washed out. And in here you can literally see what the hell I was watching on Pinterest. This photo is very popular, and on Pinterest it is very washed out, like this one too. In here you can see the whole room with no washouts or anything like that. I'm so happy. The magazine is called Oil Lit. I think most of these magazines were about $2 or $5 around. So this is one of the posters from the Atelier games. We have Mori. She is the first Atelier girl. She's my girl. I wanted to have her for so long. I'm so excited to put this on the wall. I don't know if you can tell, but the poster is in prestige conditions. This game came out on the 97. I also got a poster from the same video game. I was thinking on adding Atelier elements to my room, like alchemies, because that's what I like. This is also another poster from Mori. It looked pretty cool. This is huge. Oh my gosh. I don't know if you can see. Ah! This is so nice. It is in pristine conditions. 2 more morigirl magazine and then I have the figure. The next magazine that I got is from Avalon. This is volume 2. Also the same. The quality, again, they're thick. They're thick. Let me see. I had no idea if this was gonna be like a very good magazine. I don't think that this magazine is gonna be my favorite. It has hairstyles and hair products, hair accessories. So pretty. I think the first one that I show you is gonna be my favorite, but I have to keep looking. Again, super nice. I still wanted to get more of the morigirl magazine, but I had no idea how much I was gonna be spending. And I got the first volume of the Papier magazine. I had to get this one, of course. I really love the cover of this. Looks pretty nice. Again, all of the magazines are pristine. This is where we got that popular photo. This photo is everywhere. Oh, we have some Dark Mori there. The first time seeing it. Oh my gosh. Again, I thought that these magazines were very tiny. There's so many details because, you know, morigirl has a lot of layers and a lot of details. These magazines are amazing. And the Atelier figure. I'm kind of disappointed that they took the box. This is already a collector and they took the box of this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna zoom in, but they look amazing. So I was trying to get this figure and someone kept bidding and I was losing. So in the end I think this figure cost me like 42, but I know that I spend a little bit more because they're heavy. This is one of the mobs that you can find on the game. I want to get the other figures. I just love these 2 games. If you haven't played this game, you have to. It is the classic RPG game, and this one is very special because it is based in the school. So if you have played Manakemia, it is kind of similar because you're in school trying to learn as an alchemist. But this one, it is special. It is just different. The RPG, it is different. And I also love old animes, so, and their voice actors and animations and honestly everything. I cannot believe this was released in the 97 or 98. Like, everything looks pretty nice. It looks so good. Everything. I got this one because I got the 2 first characters, and to me that was perfect. And I also have the tiny elements of alchemies. So, and you have over here the tag that says Atelier, Mori and Ellie. Love it! So guys, this is everything for today's video. What do you think about this haul? This haul was amazing! Amazing! I'm very excited. I'm very happy with everything. Everything. So guys, if you want me to keep buying stuff from Japan, from the Yahoo Auctions from Japan, let me know in the comments below. What was your favorite items? I know that honestly I got pretty awesome stuff for this video. Let me know anything that you want to say in the comments below. Don't forget to also hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more morigirl content and also kawaii content too. Don't forget to also follow me on Instagram, Twitch, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. Turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. So, thank you again for watching and I hope to see you next time. Take care! Bye bye!